Hi everybody, artist Robert Zalo here. In this video we're going to show how to draw Baby Yoda. So go ahead and get your paper and your pencils, your crayons, your markers, whatever you want to use ready. And we're going to draw Baby Yoda and have some fun. Okay, let's start drawing Baby Yoda. We're going to start with the big shapes, which is to say the head and the body, and we're going to add the little shapes, the details, in a little while. So the head is what shape? It's really a round ball, so we're going to draw very round ball shape. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now the thing is, Yoda doesn't have a very big head. It just looks big because he's got such smaller features and he's got kind of big ears. But his head itself really isn't that big. Now the body, we don't really get to see Baby Yoda's body. He has this big cloak on, this clothing. It almost looks like he's sitting in a bag that usually has a collar. So we don't even get to see the bottom of his face. So we're going to draw that collar area in here for a moment, going around him. Now what shape is the bag that he's sitting in? It's kind of a volcano, kind of an upside down cone. So it's a little narrow here and gets bigger towards the bottom. We're also going to ignore part of it because we're going to put our sleeves and hands in a little bit. So here he has kind of this bag he's sitting in. Now let's talk about the sleeves. They're also like a cone. They're a little bigger and come down and attach to the main part. Now let's go back and talk about some details on the face, on Yoda's face. I want you to put a T shape through the middle over the surface. And that'll tell us where the center is and about where the eyes go. Now his eyes are quite large and round. They're a little pointed towards the middle, towards the center part, but not much. They're actually quite round. Now, just underneath this cross piece going side to side, you're going to give him a little button nose, which is to say it's rounded. It's not a very sharp nose like a bird beak. It's actually quite round. Now, like a triangle, if this were the top of the triangle, I'd have some lines going away that would go around the mouth as if I'm going to make a triangle. I'm just not going to connect it. The mouth, a little smile, is on Baby Yoda. It's actually kind of thin. He actually doesn't have a very large mouth. It's actually kind of small and thinner. And I'll put a little shadow here. Now, Baby Yoda, for being a baby, has a little bit of lines around his eyes. So we don't got to go too crazy. We're just going to put a few lines going around his eyes a little bit. Now let's talk about ears. Starting here at the top of the eye, move in a straight line away. Coming down to about where the mouth is, curve it up a little bit like it's a knife almost. Same thing on this side. It'll come out. Starting here, it'll kind of curve up into it. Then we'll add a little detail inside of that ear part. Now what's another thing Yoda has on his face? He has little bumps, not too big, not too crazy. He's got kind of a bumpy head. And he usually has 3 lines of bumps, like they're growing. What else does he have? He also has a little bit of hair on his head. So you can put little hairs shooting out, not too much. Now, let's come back and think about the darkening the eyes. What I do is I put a square or a round highlight at the top part. And then to show that they're round and shiny, I put a curved, thin rectangle at the opposite part, like as if you were drawing a marble. Then you're going to take your crayon or your pencil or your pen and darken in the main part of the eye. Now, if you get over those highlights, you can come back and erase it. You can leave it, that's fine. But Baby Yoda has really dark eyes. Same thing on this eye. I'm going to go around those shapes inside of it. Try to fill it in with my darker pencil work. Now let's talk about the hands. He's got little baby thin hands. He doesn't have big fingers. They're kind of thin. Does have 4 fingers, so we're going to attach those. He's waving here. And then this hand, he's got a little thumb. He's got little thin fingers on this one, relaxing. Now, let's put a little detail into it. To show that he's got his head inside of this collar, we're going to put a little bit of a dark area. And then we're going to do the same thing here around his hand inside this darker area coming out of the sleeve. This one you can't really see inside, so we don't have to worry about it. So let's talk about this bag that he's sitting in. It's almost like a long curtain that's not straight, so we're going to show that it's got a little bit of wrinkles to it. And then we might put some texture on it so that it's not smooth, it's kind of rough. Just do like cross hatching a little bit, some lines, and then cross them going the other way. Now it looks a little bit like Baby Yoda. Now, pick a line that's going to go behind him, not through him, but it's going to travel out the other side. And we're going to put a little bit of a shadow on the ground. And then what are you supposed to do when you're done with your drawing? You're supposed to put your name on it and date it so that you know that it's yours, and you can come back and look at it later and see how much you've improved later on. So make sure you got your name on there, and you can put your date on there. I'll put the year. And that's a little pencil drawing of Baby Yoda. Hope everybody had fun drawing Baby Yoda. Hope you learned a little bit. The only way to get better at drawing, like anything else, is to keep practicing. See you soon.